Everyone. Nice 69 degrees. Not bad at all. That's a small version of Taste of Fall for the Florida. Pretty skies for the morning. Alright. My two whirlpools are parts. 20 bucks a piece. Maybe about the same you could get at the scrapyard, but it's better to help out a small business. And the Maytag is no good. But appliance man thinks it's got a copper motor in it, so maybe we'll take it apart. Show it. It's a free yard sale. Hey, it's my kind of stuff. Alright, let's get loaded up. Well, duh, we're already loaded up. We get tied up and go to the yard. Got a few more pickups today. Just do a little street scrapping before I go to my next pickup. I think trash was picked up this morning, but sometimes there'll be some leftovers. Hey, a lawnmower, sweet. Brett from Scrap Farm always says, check the dead ends. He's right. There's a piece. That'll work. Oh yeah. Yeah. Furniture. No. Big TV. Definitely no. Trash. Some beauty shoes. No thanks. Labor Day Solar's chair. Let's go see what the bank's got. Alright, we picked up a few more office chairs. Not as much as last time, which is a good thing. I don't have the trailer. I think last time I got 69 or 70s office chairs. I think I got like 8, 10, or 12 this time. As I say, 8, 10, or 12. Yeah, whatever. Let's go back to the yard, see what the whole day paid out. I say whole day because I'm done for now. This is Monday. There's two other neighborhoods I can hit later on. Alright, have a good one. That electric motor's got a copper windings in it. Alright, what it pay? 2 trips to the scrapyard. First trip was 440 pounds for $35.20. Second trip was 640 for $51.20. Plus I got $40 for the washer and dryer. And I made another $8 off the tire that I turned in with the aluminum rim. Not a bad day. I think I'm done for today. Well, maybe later I might go back out. Who knows? Alright, please hit the like button, subscribe, share me out, and have a beautiful day.